Hello students, welcome to my channel Savita Sharma, your English mentor. Today I'm going to tell you how to write apology letter. No one is perfect in this life. Sometimes we make mistakes, but when we make mistakes at our workplace, we need to write apology letter. And while we are writing apology letter, we have to keep some points in our mind. Apology letter is a formal form of application, or you can say it's a formal letter. So here you can see we are starting this application with date, but all formal letters they start with sender's address. But we are not writing sender's address over here. The reason behind this that this application has been written by a student and students record we already have in our school, so therefore their address is not required. So here we have to start application with date only, and here you need to observe the format of date. Date should be in alphanumeric format. Okay, so after writing this date we have to leave one line gap. Then we have to write the name of school. While we are writing the name of school, we have to write it in title format. Title format means every letter, every letter, every first letter of each word should be in capital form. And after writing the school address, here you can observe this. After writing the school address, you have to leave one line gap. Then you have to write salutation according to the principal, ma'am or sir. And then you have to leave one line gap. Then you have to write the subject. While you are writing the subject, again you have to keep this in your mind that you have to write this in title format. Title format means every first letter, okay, every first letter but of important words. Okay, important words should be capital, and other words which are unimportant, or you can say they are conjunctions, prepositions and articles, you can start them with small letter. After writing subject you have to leave one line. Then you have to start the application. The body of the application has been divided in three sections. First is introductory, where you are introducing yourself. Second section where is the main body, where you are describing your mistake or where you are accepting or discussing the issue for which you are writing this application. And at the end, after leaving one line, you have to write the closing lines where you are requesting to accept your apology. And after that, after this, you have to write thanking you. It should be thanking you, not thank you. Okay, it should be thanking you. Then after leaving one line, you have to write subscription, and you have to write yours obediently while you are writing it in school because you are your obedient kid. And then your details, or you can say you have to write about your particulars, your class and your roll number. Okay, while you are writing this application, at that time in opening lines it is mandatory to mention your particulars, because there may be many person, or you can say many students of same name. How the teacher could identify that who is writing this application? So for that, your class and roll number, it is required. And if you are not writing them, marks reduction will be there. And here you can observe that in this application, after writing with due respect, I, your name, student of this class, bearing roll number this, would like to apologize. That means according to the situation, you can change this word, but opening line for the formal application should be these only, where you are introducing yourself. Okay, like would like to apologize, would like to inform you, would like to request you according to the situation. And while you are writing this application, or you can say the main body, you have to describe according to the situation, and not informal language you should not use. If you want to say please, you will not write please. In place of that, you have to write kindly. And keep this thing, it is very important that with I always you have to write shall. So if you are keeping these points in your mind and then writing your application, then it will be grammatically correct. So if I'm reading this application for you, so here you can say, with due respect, I, Savita Sharma, student of class 8C, bearing roll number 23, would like to apologize for breaking the window pane on Monday. That is this. That means you have to mention the date and time also. okay, date or day also, and then the reason, but you will not extend all the things, all the stories. And in future you are not going to commit that, or you will not repeat this mistake, so you have to mention these things also. Only then your teacher will accept your application, that in future you will not repeat it again. Okay, so if you are mentioning all these things, because what teacher is seeking from you, or what teacher is, why teacher is going to forgive you, for that you have to make promise. Okay, so it is required. So it is the end of the application, and I hope you could get the format of application. And thank you for watching this video.